Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This video we are going to see about how to perform an arithmetic operations on the value of a dictionary. Okay, so far I have discussed about the arithmetic operations on the string, tuple, set and list. Okay, and the dictionary is a value of key value pair. Okay, it's a combination of key value pair. So on the dictionary, how we can perform the arithmetic operation, that we will discuss in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to the video. First I'm going to create a dictionary with a name called D1. Okay, so D1, and I just want to take the students mark, subject 1, 80, subject 2, 90, subject 3, 70. Okay, have taken the students mark, three subjects mark, subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. You can take anything, Tamil, English, maths also. Okay, but simply have taken the subject 1 as 80, 2 as 90 and 3 as 70. Okay, then I want to print out this dictionary values. So print of T1. See, all the dictionary values as printed. So then again I want to find out the sum of the values in the dictionary. I want to find out the total sum of values. So we have taken the three subjects value. So I want to want to display the sum of this three subjects values. So S equal to sum of dictionary values dot dictionary name dot values of. Okay, see, print of S. See, we got the sum of the three subjects. So 80 plus 90 plus 70 is equal to 240. Okay, then the next one, we want to find out the maximum of the values. I want to find out which mark is the maximum one. So to find out that, I want to take an variable called max. Okay, max of dictionary name T1 dot values of. Then print of max. See, the value 90 is the maximum value, maximum marks. Okay, so we got the maximum value as 90. Then I want to find out the minimum element, I mean that's the minimum value of the dictionary. So to find out that, I want to I want to take an variable name ml. So minimum of D1 dot values of. So minimum value is 70. Okay, compared to those 2 marks. So 70 is the minimum values. So we got 70. Then I want to find out the length of the values. That means how many marks have taken. Okay, totally have taken subject 1, subject 2, subject 3. That I want to print out how many values I have taken. So I want to count it. So count, it's a variable name. Then length of d1 dot values of and print of see 3. Totally we have taken the 3 subjects marks. So we got 3. Okay, by this way we will find out the arithmetic. We will perform the arithmetic operations on the values of a dictionary. Simply I will write down the syntax. To find out the sum of the dictionary, sum of d1 dot values of. Okay, then want to find out the maximum values. So maximum of d1 dot values of. To find out the minimum value, minimum of d1 dot values of. If you want to find out, that means if you want to count how many marks you have taken, how many values you have taken, to count, to find out the length, you should create the length of d1 dot values of. Okay, so these are all the values, these are all the syntax to find out, to perform the arithmetic operations on the values in the dictionary. Okay friends, that's it today. If you have any doubt, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.